Who doesn't love a good home-cooked meal? It's cheap, it's healthy, and it's fun to make something yourself. However, what isn't so fun is having to plan in advance. From searching for deals and making decisions in stores to recipe hunting on old, clunky websites, the whole process is just a hassle. That's why we decided to make ReciPi, a simple-to-use virtual cooking assistant, which integrates with the user's local shops and locates the best deals on user-specified items. In addition, our assistant will be able to quickly convert a whole recipe into the metric system, as well as suggest potential substitutions for certain ingredients the user might not want to use. The local deals section contains both great deals on searchable items from user-specified stores, as well as allowing local farmers to sell their products, saving on food miles and reducing food waste. Don't feel like looking up the recipe yourself? Tell PiBot, our personalized chatbot, what you'd like, and it'll find the best deals just for you. PiBot utilizes Google Digiflow artificial intelligence, meaning it can recognize more advanced requests and give adequate responses, as well as it will be able to use speech-to-text conversation. And as a bonus, if you're someone who hates having to make a decision every single time, PiBot will be able to suggest recipes based on your personal likes and dislikes. On top of the personalization, we also added some accessibility features, namely light, dark, and high contrast color schemes, as well as an option to increase text size. Our platform will have multi-language support, with the current prototype being available in English. We ran a survey on what our community thinks of ReciPi, and the overwhelming majority said that they would be interested in our platform, with more than half rating the idea of searching for local deals with a solid 10. We also decided to do some market research, concluding that there are multiple solutions of some of the problems our platform solves, but there currently isn't one multi-store solution, which is the niche we're trying to fill. As such, we plan to offer a subscription-based model with a free option that lets users have access to some of the recipes and a limited amount of other functionalities, and a paid option with a full functionality and access to seasonal recipe packs, among other bonuses, as well as a partner program for larger stores. We also contacted Rimi and got some very positive feedback. So, what does this mean for the user? A user-friendly freemium platform which doesn't force ads down your throat, offering only what you truly want. And this is our team, who made this whole project from scratch in just 48 hours. We plan to open a starting pilot project right after the hackathon, and as such, we have started talks with potential partners. You can try our demo at this website, and see you soon.